Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of commerce, and of course today we're going to look at division or scope of commerce. Okay, so the scope of commerce is quite broad, all right, but it's very easy to understand. It's very easy to understand. Okay, so I'm going to try as much as possible in my usual manner to make it more enjoyable so that it reflects on you and you never forget anything, okay, about what this. All right, so please know that this tutorial of course is brought to you by the one and only O3SCHOOLS JAMB CBT app. Okay, so it's all you need to succeed in your exam. I'm going to talk about the app later because when we are done with this, we are going to take questions from the application, past questions and likely exam questions. So please stay to the end of the class. All right, do not hurry away. All right, so the app has all you need to succeed in your exam, and of course, it has all the past questions for all the subjects. So instead of you going to get English past question 1.5, maths 1.5, economics 1.5, commerce 1.5, for 4 subjects 6,000. Instead of you paying 6,000 naira to get past question, you have all those past questions inside one app, and you can get it for 3,000 naira, and you can participate in mock challenge. You can learn from the classroom feature. There's a lot in fact, the UTM literature book is there also. So there's nothing that you're looking for that's not on the app. All right, trust me when I say that's all you need to succeed. Okay, so we're going to talk about the app later, but for now let's talk about the scope of commerce. Okay, so the scope is talking about all the activities which ensures the distribution and exchange of what goods and services. All of the activities, okay, which involves what the distribution and exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of people. Okay, the end game is what is utility. Are people getting satisfaction? And who gets satisfaction for the distribution of these goods and services? That's what was the scope of commerce talking about. About the totality of all activities which ensures the distribution and exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of people. The totality of all of the activities. Okay, in simple terms, we say what? Commerce embraces trade and the ancillary or aids to trade. Okay, in simple terms, we say commerce what encompasses or embraces what? Trade and the ancillary or what? The aids or the auxiliary to what? To trade. Things that facilitate trade. Okay, that makes that are things that are essential for what? For goods to be able to be moved from the point of production to where what the consumers will be able to easily get them. All right, that's what we're talking about here. We'll talk about the scope of commerce. So, with the help of a table, we're going to use it to explain what this was better. Know that development of commerce resulted from what? From specialization. Development of commerce. The development of commerce resulted from specialization. Okay, what this means is that what brought about commerce is that, let's say we have many in your local government now. You have like 20 villages. Like in my local government, I have up to 18 villages. All right, and of course there are some people. N1 people. All right, I'm from Akoko Edo in Edo State. All right, if you're from Edo State, hi, say hi in the comment section. All right, so I'm from Ososo in Akoko Edo local government. All right, we have rocks in our village. All right, it's a place of tourism. Okay, then we have some people they call the N1 people. Those are people, they have their oil is very nice. Okay, N1, their oil is very nice. Even their gari is also very nice. All right, so we have Akuku. We have what? Lampese. We have so many people like that. We have so many villages like that. They all have specialty, right? We have Igara. Okay, we have what? Uneme. We have so many of them like that. They have what? They are specialized in what? In producing what? A particular, they're skilled. Okay, it may not even be food. They may be skilled. Let's say in what? In handcraft. All right, and so on and so forth. So as you see that, these ones, they can give you gari. This one, they can give you oil. So you can go and sell oil to them. Those ones that are specialties in gari, you can go and sell oil to them. Those ones that are specialties in oil, you can sell and sell gari to them because they are specialized in different things. You see that you can now facilitate trade. That can easily facilitate trade. So that's what we mean by the development of commerce resulted from what? From specialization. Okay. Also, exchange is facilitated by what? By specialization. All right. If you do not have anything to offer another person, there's nothing you want to exchange. Okay, doesn't want to exchange. You're in a relationship, a parasitic relationship. Okay, one is just gaining from the other, one is just gaining from the other. All right, you have to know that you have to end that relationship quickly. End it. All right, so that's how it is. So even exchange is what is facilitated by what? By specialization. Know that also, that exchange is facilitated by specialization. Exchange is facilitated by specialization. So with the help of a table now, we're going to quickly talk about what the scope of commerce. Okay, I say that the scope of commerce embraces all the activities, okay, involved in the distribution and exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of what? Of people. Okay, the end game is for people to gain maximum utility. For people to gain maximum utility from what? From the consumption of what? Of goods and what? And services. All right. So it's very, very, very important. It is very, very important. All right. So please, if you have not liked this video, as you are watching me now, please just click on that like button. That thing that is like this. Just click on it. You can do it now as you are watching it, so you don't need to wait. That will make other students easily find this video. Also, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscription is free. Just click on that red subscribe button so that whenever we release a new episode, you get a notification on your phone and you can come in to learn. Is that not wonderful? So join us. We have commerce first. Commerce. And then we have commerce, we now have trade. We now have what is to trade. Divided into two, we have trade. Trade one way. Another way is to what? To trade. So we have trade here. So we have trade. Then here we have aids to trade. Okay, of course, trade is divided into what? Two. We have home trade and we have what? Foreign trade. Okay, so this goes like this also. All right, so we have what? Home trade. And here we have what? Foreign trade. Okay, so the home trade is divided into what? Retail and what? And wholesale. Okay, so you have home trade also divided into two. We then have retail. Retail. Here we now have what? Wholesale. All right, seems like I've drawn this too big. Of course, because the retail is also divided into what? We have what? The small scale retailing. We then have what? The large scale retailing. Okay, so let me just readjust this. I will readjust this because here we now have a home trade. Let me make the box smaller. Home trade. Okay, divided into what? Retail and wholesale. So we now have what? Retail. Retail. Yeah, wholesale. Wholesale. Write it clearly. Then this retail divided into two, we now have small scale retailing. Then you have large scale retailing. All right, so that is what retail is divided into two. Then wholesale, of course, is wholesale. Then of course, let's readjust this foreign trade so that we can use our space more. All right, so this foreign trade divided into three, right? This foreign trade. This foreign trade will now have what? Import, export, and entreport. So divided into three, we have import. Okay, we have what? Export. Then we now have what? Entreport. Okay, so that is what? Foreign trade. Okay, retail is small scale and what? And large scale retailing. Then is to trade are very many. Like of course we have banking and finance. Okay, we have transportation. We have communication. We have warehousing. We have insurance. Okay, we have insurance. We have We have tourism, we have advertisement. We have what? Advertisement. Advertisement. Okay, so this is what? The scope of what? Of commerce. So that explained what with the help of what? Of this table. So we have commerce divided into home trades and what? And aids to trade. Okay, we have trade here. Aids to trade. Trade divided into home trade and what? And foreign trade. Okay, this was supposed to be in the same level. Sorry. Home trade and foreign trade. Let me readjust this. Okay, foreign trade. All right. So the home trade divided into the retail and what? And the wholesale. We have the retailers, we have the wholesalers. Then of course the retail is divided into two: the small scale, the small scale retailers and the large scale retailers. Okay, but the foreign trade divided into three: the import, the export, and the entreport. I'm going to look at them in stream videos. All right, they'll have aids to trade, which include banking and finance, transportation, communication, warehousing, insurance, tourism, advertisement. Okay, so this is what the scope of commerce in what? In a tabular word form. It's easier to what? To easily what? If you have the diagram, it's very easy for you. Okay, so there's no question I want to ask you here that you did not be able to what? To answer. So I'm going to go to the app now. Go to the app right now, and then we'll take some few questions for us to be able to understand how they will set their question under this. All right, it's very easy. So you have to open your mind. You have to make sure that you know what you are doing also. Okay, so this app, like I said, is all you need to succeed. It has all the past question, classroom feature where you can study lecture notes, you read lecture notes, and take tests according to JAMB syllabus. Then, of course, the question start feature also have the UTME challenge. It's a mock challenge that you participate in every Saturday. You win prizes. You see, get used to how JAMB set that question. You see your result released every Saturday. So let's say in the first challenge you score 200, next one you score 250, next one you score 270. You know that you are improving. But if your score is coming down, you know that what? Oh boy, I need to see top. So that is that for that. So activation of this app is just 3,000 naira. Okay. So after downloading, click on activate. At the top, you find buy activation key. All right. Just click on buy activation key, and you will what? See three options for payment. You can transfer to the O3SCHOOLS app account. You can use your debit card, your ATM to pay online. All right. So that one is automatic activation. But if you are making transfer to the O3SCHOOLS JAMB app, just send the receipt to 09121 515246 on WhatsApp. Send the receipt of the payment. If you're using POS, send the receipt. If someone is paying for you, send the receipt. However you are doing the payment, just make the payment and send the receipt to this number and wait, you get a reply. So long you paid, you get activated. Don't mind those impatient people. Like now I'm shooting video, now I cannot attend to people. You get? So just be patient. You will definitely get activated so long you pay. And of course, I'm telling you, I'm assuring you, you should get this app. So let's quickly get some questions from the app immediately so that we'll be done with this class. This is 2007 question number 14. 2007 question number 14. It says, the sustainable growth of commerce is largely due to what? Distribution and exchange. Okay, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about the scope of commerce now. We'll say it encompasses, it embraces what? All that's everything that's involved with what? With distribution and exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of what? Of people. So the correct answer there will be what now? Will be exchange. A, they say marketing. B, they say advertising. C, exchange. D, branding. Correct answer there is what is exchange. You see, right? No, they are not usually direct, but of course, if you know what they're doing, they cannot confuse you. Okay? The commerce is very easy, but you can easily get the answers wrong. Okay? Because everything seems to like look the same, but you must get the major point. It's exchange. Now, 2006 number 27. They say the development. Okay, 2006 number 27. They say the development of commerce resulted from what? We said it now. We say it resulted from what? From specialization, because different people have different skill sets, so they can sell to one another, isn't it? All right. So A, they say trading. B, they say competition. C, they say importation. D, they say specialization. Obviously from specialization. Also, we say exchange is facilitated by specialization. So we can exchange because we have value to what? Share. We have value to what? Exchange. Okay, you can do this, me I can do that. Yeah, let's exchange. So exchange is also facilitated. It's also facilitated by what? By specialization. So let's see another question. 2004, number 38. They said, commerce includes all the occupations concerned with, A, they said sales, B, they say production. C, they say marketing. D, they say distribution. This is a question on scope of commerce. Okay, and we'll talk about it. It encompasses all that to do that is involved with the distribution and exchange. Distribution and exchange. So our correct answer there is obviously what? D, distribution. All right, let's see 2003, number 10. Number 10. They say the concept that refers to the sale, transfer, or exchange of goods and services. The concept that refers to the sale, transfer, exchange. Is that not trade? That is trade. Okay, so A, they say industry. B, they say trade. Answer there is trade already. C, they say tariff. D, they say marketing. Correct answer there is what? Is trade. All right, now let's see the last question, I guess. Okay, last question. They say this is 1997 question number 1. 1997 question number 1. They say which of the following are the components of commerce? The components of commerce. All right. So we have to look at all these they are all the components of commerce. This is commerce. We have trade and aids to trade, home trade, foreign trade, retail, wholesale. All these aids to trade. All of them, they are all components of commerce that I've looked at right here. Okay. So they say which of the following are the components of commerce? Number I say trading and advertising. There's trading, right? There's trade. Okay. There's advertising. Advertisements. All right. So there says 2, warehousing and transportation. There's warehousing. There's transportation. Now they say packaging and branding. There is packaging and branding there? No. It's not there. Although it could be like a subset of what advertisement, but it's not what there. All right. So then 4, they say insurance and what? And banking. There's banking. There's what? There's insurance. To is to trade. So the correct answer there will be what? 1, 2, and 4. That would be option what? Option C. Okay. So very easy questions. Okay. So please get your application. There are thousands of other questions. Okay, that you can use to what answer what you can answer to build your confidence for you to understand that JAMB set that question, and then you see that you are flying in glory. All right. So I want to see all of you share your scores, and you are scoring very high. All right. Please like the video, subscribe, share. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.